please make time to watch in this video that will follow shortly. Okay? Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
Platinum ako noon in 38 days. I enrolled 100 people ng time na yon. Kailangan natin mag-ingay. Kailangan nating gumawa ng result. Hindi ito magagawa ng isang tao, dalawang tao. But we need to work as one team, one goal, one live good. Let us run the 90-day game plan boldly, loudly, make it crystal clear, make it sound, make it bold, make it daring. Na kailangan tayo, naniniwala tayo that 20 people, 20 enrollees can change your life. Can you say it again? 20 people can change my life. Mindset strategy, 20 people can change my life. 20 people can change my life. Kasi kung naniniwala ka na yung 20 tao makakapagpabago ng buhay mo, gagawin at gagawin mo na mag-i-enroll ka ng 20 na tao in 30 days, in 60 days, in worst comes to worst, in 90 days. Amen? Hello? Thank you, coaches. Focus on that. Create urgency because the importance of enrolling 20 persons in 30 days, it's success loves speed. Success loves speed. It is very efficient. When I was running for my platinum ako noon in 38 days, I enrolled 100 people ng time na yon. Maniwala kayo sa maniwala. Mula nung March 20 of last year, I stopped enrolling by my own. Lahat ng mga sumali na sa akin after those are attraction marketing. Sa Facebook ko na lang. Maybe sa YouTube ko. Yung YouTube ko, hindi ko na naaasikaso. Pero hindi na po ako nakapag-personal call like what I did in my first 38 days. Kaya minamadali ko na matapos itong ating courses kasi andoon na sa LGSEI Academy yung mga lessons at habang tinutuloy-tuloy natin nilo-launch ito in 30 days, in 90 days, kayo na mga affiliates, pasok o bagong pasok, alam nyo ituro sa kanila saan sila mag-aaral. Hello? Kasi pwedeng i-play ulit ito mga coaches, 'di ba? Kasi ako din po, meron din po akong personal goal. Pero yung personal goal ko, hinuli ko, inuna ko yung aking team goal. At kayo yon. Hello, coaches. I want you to get the idea, the meat of this 90-day game plan. When somebody ask me, Upline, paano mo ginawa? Naka-platinum ka in 38 days. Sabi kong ganon, I observe momentum because the law of momentum says momentum solves 80% of your problem. Momentum creates energy. Momentum creates speed. Momentum creates promotion. Momentum creates production. Momentum creates result. Momentum creates money. And that is the bottom line. Bakit tayo nagli-live good? May pera pag tayo ay platinum. Hello? May pera pag tayo ay nag-rank up. Ano ba ang purpose ba tayo nag-live good? Di ba magkaroon ng pera? That's it. So, enrolling 20 people in 30 days. Success loves speed. And it is very, very efficient. Ito yung mga myth, no? These are the myth, no? And one thing more, no? Na law na sinagot ko doon sa aking leader. Sabi kong ganon, I focus. I observe the law of focus because the law of focus says that anything you focus on is really what you get good at. You focus on the right focus, and the focus that we are going to do in the next 3 months, in the next 90 days, as long as we are here in Live Good, is really the law of focus must be at work. I focus on my focus. Nakafocus ako doon sa ranking promotions ko talaga. At ito yung mga myth. Slow and steady gets you killed. Slow and steady does not attract any kind of momentum. Subukan mo. Manatili kang unranked for how many months? May momentum? May attraction? Wala. Wala nakikita sa'yo eh. Hindi ka excited eh. Wala kang pinupost doon na, congratulations, welcome to Live Good. Walang ganun. Hindi ka nagra-rank up. Anong momentum? Anong attraction? Wala. Slow and steady does not establish belief. Slow and steady does not get result. No energy, no velocity, and momentum. Either you are turtle or a rabbit. Mamili tayo doon. Pagong o rabbit. Alam mo yung ang rabbit? Na ang rabbit kasi, pag yan is hahabulin mo, tatakbo ng tatakbo yan. Lalong-lalo na pag alam niyang kakarnihin siya. Kasi alam niya, pag nahuli siya, patay siya. Think like a rabbit. That we are running short of time. We live only short in this world. Short-lived tayo. Hindi nga natin alam kung kailan eh. Hindi natin alam kung kailan tayo kukunin ni Lord. But if you are living on purpose, you know what is your mission in this life? You have to create urgency. And you have to observe speed. Think like a rabbit. One person a month after a year, thousands of people may not be true. Although sa Live Good lang ang meron talagang pwedeng dumami kahit wala kang ginawa. Pero it does not apply to everybody. Kasi to tell you honestly, ako may leader ako, my best friend. She's making money on her matrix. Pero pre-note ko ba yon? I never did. Kasi pili lang yon. It does not apply to all. Lalong-lalo na, depende sa nadugtungan mo. Why promote something that is not accurate, that is not certain, that is not specific, that is not particular? Potential yun. Pag sinabi pong potential, sa sinabi ni Sir Ben Glinsky na potential, you can earn even without enrolling. Ang ibig sabihin po ng potential, capacity, probability. But there is no specific period like 3 months, 6 months, not even 2 years or even more. Yun po yun ha. So, hindi totoo. Pwedeng totoo, pwedeng hindi. Doon tayo sa concrete. Doon tayo sa specific. One person a month after a year, thousands of people may not be true. Eh lalo na lang kung abangers ka. Esip-esip din tayo pag may time. Diba? Gawa din tayo ng calculation po natin. Kaya tayo binigyan ng Lord, ng Diyos, ng wonderful gift in between of your two eyes. It's the brain. Let the brain process. Isip po tayo. Ako narinig ko po din yun, pero hindi ko po yun minagnify. Because I do my math. Pag ako magne-network na walang gagawin, yun ang ipopromote ko. Lalaki organization ko walang gagawin, walang attend ng trainings. Ngayon nga, nalulungkot ako eh. Ang ganda ng trainings natin, pero ilan lang yung 1%ers na uma-attend sa ating trainings. Pero, it's the fact. Ganun talaga. Not everybody will do it. So how much more? Kung 1 person a month, after a year, thousands of people may not be true, how much more kung wala kang pinasok kahit isa? Eh dito sa Live Good, kung meron kang dalawa at tinuruan mo yung dalawa, kumuha ng dalawa, get two and teach the two to get two and repeat, power, 3 to 4 months, puno agad ang matrix. Retirement income tayo. Ang kaso, hindi lahat kumilos kasi pre-prehas abanger, 3 months, nga, wala talagang tao. Kasi si upline lang ang magpupuno. Computing nyo po. Magkano yun? 92,000? 65,000? Kung ilan lang sa mga upline ang magko-compute? Gaano katagal mapuno ang matrix? Do your math. Kung ang 2 by 2 by 2 by 2 nag-multiply, ngayon, i-divide mo ngayon, ang 65,000 total matrix ng diamond, kung ilan lang ang kumikilos, kung ilang taon mapupuno yun. Kaya, observe natin yung myth. 1 to 10 to 50% throttle of an airplane won't work. Pag ang eroplano lilipad, na ang throttle niya, yung arangkada ng makina, 10 to 50%, hindi lilipad ang eroplano. Pero kung ang eroplano nagkaroon ng malakas na throttle, 60 to 65% lilipad yan. So the same thing sa business natin. Kung hindi tayo mag-true throttle na talagang aarangkada tayo, kaya yung 20 person in 1 month, ang laking puwersa nun para talaga tayo ay makaalagwa. Tingnan niyo ako. 1 month, 38 days, nag-enroll ako ng 100. After one year, no? I get 1 year na. Magma-March 20 na. Magwa 1 year nang hindi na ako nagpo-prospecting. Post na lang ako sa Facebook. Nagugulat na lang ako, may nagsa-sign up, nagpe-pre-enroll. Minsan nakikita ko bronze na. Attraction marketing na. Pero, yung speed na yon, nag-create siya ng momentum. Do you follow, coaches? Hello, are you with me? Are you with me? 10 to 50% throttle of an airplane won't work. It needs speed, velocity, energy, power to lift up. Importante po yun. Ngayon, one thing more. Ang eroplano lilipad ng 60 to 65% throttle to lift up. Okay po? Wag naman yung 100 agad kasi puputok sasabog yung eroplano na yun. Parang tayo din. Pag nasobrahan din tayo ng throttle mo, baka mamaya hindi ka na natutulog, magkakasakit ka talaga. Mag-set ka ng time frame, kaya pupunta tayo doon sa mga preparation, sa mga scheduling, ilan yung oras na ibibigay mo para sa Live Good. So 10:15, tatapusin ko na lang po ito, no? So, if you are a pilot, so consider yourself as a pilot na papalipad ka po, you need to focus if you are taking off. So since ngayon ay pa-take off tayo, palipad tayo. Coaches, palipad tayo. Palipad tayo. Think like a pilot. Wala ka munang distraction. Wala munang ibang company. Bagamat sinasabi ni Sir Ben Glinsky na hindi siya siloso, pwede kang mag-network sa iba. Pero, ang network marketer, alam niyo po ba, ang professional network marketer, nakatahi doon ang salitang integrity. Na yung sinasabi mo, you should be walking on your talk. If you are talking about loyalty, how could you project loyalty, prestige, integrity kung ikaw talong ka ng talon? Kaya lang tayo sinabihan ni Sir Ben Glinsky that you can do anything that you want to do because he is trying to heal the wounds of this industry because this industry is broken and it has to be fixed. Yung iba, nag-network ka ng iba, hindi na ibibigay ang sweldo mo. Marami tayong alam dyan sa mga local company. Gustong-gustong mag-live good, pero hindi nila magawa kasi meron pa silang kita, income doon sa kabilang company. At pag lumutang sila, patay kang bata ka. Yung pinaghirapan mo ng many years, hindi na nila ibibigay. Naintindihan po. So, what else? If you level up, you can do other things. Totoo po yun. Ako po, nung nag-level up ako, ako po ay nag-diamond. Ay talaga, throttle kasi yun eh. Pumunta ako ng France. Praise God, nagkataon din po yun na yun yung benefit ko. Yun yung incentive trip ko sa dati kong company iniwan. Nag-France po ako doon. Nag-enjoy ako sa Paris. And then after that, I went back home. Umuwi pa ako sa province. Nag-relax at nag-unwind po ako. So after ng throttle natin ngayon mga coaches, after you reach to a certain rank, pahinga ka din, magbakasyon ka din, and then balik trabaho uli. If you level up, you can do other things. So think like a pilot. Ang pilot, hindi yan nagsi-CR kahit ihing-ihi na, hindi muna yan nagme-merienda kahit gutom na. Nakafocus ang pilot sa paglipad. So tayo na mga affiliates, focus muna tayo. 20 people, 20 enrollees can change my life. Learning so far, malapit na po ako matapos. The value of 20 in 30 days. 3 months is very conservative. 20 people in 3 months is very, very, very conservative. Kung tayo po ay naka-momentum, 20 in 30 days is highly doable. Doable and attainable. Sa mga susunod nating topics at kung kayo po ay nag-masterclass, alam nyo na po ang sagot. Ngayon, kung hindi po kayo nag-masterclass, please go to LGSEI Academy. Tingnan nyo po doon yung day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4. Meron po doong mga topics na dinidiscuss. Kahit ulit-ulitin yan, kahit iluulit natin yan dito na meron pong PowerPoint, Sinadya ko po ito na magkaroon ng PowerPoint para may visual kayo na nakikita na hindi lang ako nagyayayaw-yaw dito. You can do some screenshot para yung notes nyo, nakikita nyo, nakakapag-review kayo. So meaning to say, we are mastering the 90-day game plan because we want to rank up. Why we want to rank up? Because we want to change our life for the better. Hindi po pwede na we want our life to become better pero ayaw natin mag-rank up. We're in the planet Earth. We're in the planet Earth. Hello? Tayo ba ay nahihimasmasan mga coaches? Marami ba tayo naiintindihan ng mga realization? Coaches, I want to ask you, are you learning so far? Can you please type on the chat box? Yung lahat ng mga na-appreciate ito at nagle-learn po kayo, can you please type on the chat box that you are learning so far? For those people, for those leaders who are learning so far, can you promise me that you are going to tell your team to please plug into the system? Plug into the system. Plug in into the 90-day game plan. Pasok kayo sa LGSEI Academy, answer the 3 topmost questions, especially who is your platinum upline, who is your diamond upline. It is a private page intended for our team only. Hindi sa maramot ako. Nagsishare naman ako sa ating pong mga live. But this is intended for you. Hello? At ano ngayon ang gagawin natin? Meron din declaration commitment. Ilagay nyo po ang pangalan nyo sa ilalim, sa comment section. Lagay nyo yung old rank, yung current rank nyo. At ilagay nyo yung goal rank nyo until May 31. After saying so, you call all your leaders. Pak, 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 pak. Hello, 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 hello. Tawagan mo sila. Tawagan mo sila na, hello, coach, partner, ay grabe, meron akong narinig na lalaki tayo. Hindi ko kayang explain sa'yo lahat, pero pasok ka na lang sa academy. Watch ka dito. Eto, o kaya i-share mo sa kanila yung classes. Hindi para sa akin yan, coach, ha? Para yan matuto ang grupo natin. But before they can watch it, kahit i-share natin yan sa group chats natin, pag hindi sila member ng ating GC, ng ating private page, hindi nila yon mapapanood. Kasi hindi sila part ng ating academy. So the first thing you're gonna do is let them join in the academy, answer the questions, and join ka dun sa commitment. Bakit ka sasali doon? You will know later on as we continue our class. Doon kasi meron tayong community ng mga taong positive na mararamdaman mo yung community na yun, nag-i-ignite tayo, andun kasi yung apoy. Kung gusto mong mag-apoy, pumunta ka sa apoy, huwag mong ilayo ang sarili mo sa apoy. So nasaan yung apoy? Nandun. Nagliliyab. Nandoon ka, you are surrounded with people who are positive, who really wants to rank up. Ngayon, kung ikaw nandoon at kasama ang mga team mo doon, anong mangyayari talaga sa atin? Coaches, are you learning so far? If this will work, this will really work to people who will join. We will be doing this repeatedly over and over and over again hanggang maabot natin yung tugatog ng tagumpay. At least meron tayong clear na daanan papunta sa ating pagtagumpay. The value of the 20 and 30 days, 3 months is very conservative. Number 1, upfront. Kikita ka ng now income. Number 2, other bonuses. Pag dinamihan mo ang inyong enrollments, mataba ang matching bonus mo. Extra customer kung ikaw ay bumibili ng ating product, especially the international pack na free shipping. In 12 months time, pag ikaw ang 90-day game plan, I'm telling you, you are diamond. You are diamond. Pag ikaw nag-90-day game plan ng seryoso, 12 months, I'm telling you, diamond yan. Kung tayo ay nagna-90-day game plan. Pero kung hindi, mahihirapan tayo. Kaya ngayon, kung sawang-sawa na tayo sa ating rank, mag-90-day game plan tayo. Maniwala kayo. Something marvelous, something incredible, something magical, something amazing, wonderful that will happen to our life. Okay? Palakpakan naman po natin si Live Good. Palakpakan natin ang ating 90-day game plan. Palakpakan niyo po. Hello, hello, hello. So, lifetime. This will be a lifetime benefit. rank advancement mangyayari, and you could be a positive role model to your team. Isipin mo, nag-graduate tayo ng 90-day game plan, kitang-kita doon sa ating comment section, you are as a bronze or you are bronze and you want to become silver in 3 months. Oh, masasabi mo ay achieve it. Pero sinabi mo na you are unranked and you want to become gold. You did it. Wow, congratulations. Eh kung ikaw unranked at nagawa mong mag-platinum, super duper wow yun. At kung ikaw ay platinum gold at ikaw ay nag-diamond in 3 months, congratulations. Hello? So you are a positive role model to your team and to this Live Good family. Prestige and reputation. Iba din po yun. You want to have prestige? Hello? So, meron pa ba? So actually, I'm already done into that.